हाँ, बोलिए। नहीं, नहीं, ऐसा है क्या? हुँ, हुँ। ओके। हुँ, हुँ, हुँ। हाँ, वो तो है खाली। क्या बात कर रहे हो? ओके, ठीक है। चलो। ओके, ओके। ठीक है, मैं शुरू कर देता हूँ। हुँ, 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 हुँ। ओके, सो थैंक्स फॉर जॉइनिंग। आज का दिन है अक्टूबर 30th। टाइम इन इंडिया इज 8:53 AM। Punjab AQI 132, Haryana AQI 184. Despite 40% drop in the cases of stubble burning in Haryana compared to the previous year, the state on Saturday recorded the worst air quality of the ongoing Kharif harvesting season so far. Record season's worst air quality amid dip in farm fires, stubble burning has impacted the air quality in the national capital region. The big thing is that at the time when the growth of the entire port sector has been around 4%, Adani Port alone is moving ahead with a growth rate of 14%. Here too, if the figures of Adani Port are removed, then the growth rate of the entire port sector remains only 2.7%. Governor Purohit ready to re-examine bills, writes to CM Bhagatman. बस मार्शल्स पर पूरी कहानी। सीएम अरविंद केजरीवाल के लगातार निर्देश रहे हैं कि बस मार्शल को नहीं हटाए जाएंगे, हटाया जाएगा। मैंने भी बार बार फाइल पर लिखा कि ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, महिला सुरक्षा से जुड़ा है, ना हटाया जाए। रेवेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट ने ऑब्जेक्शन लगाए कि सिविल डिफेंस वॉलंटियर्स को बस मार्शल्स नहीं लगा जा रख सकते। फिर सीएम साहब का निर्देश है कि आज अग सिविल डिफेंस नहीं लगा सकते तो इन्हीं बस मार्शल्स को होम गार्ड्स डिक्लेयर करके ड्यूटी पर लगाया जाए। यही प्रस्ताव एलजी साहब को बेचा गया है। इवन इफ एकनाथ शिंदे इज डिस्क्वालिफाइड एमएलए, ही विल रिमेन चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, देवेंद्र फडणवीस ने बोला है। आम आदमी पार्टी supports the sanitation workers who have been on strike in Gurugram for the long time for their demands. Aam Aadmi Party will win all Lok Sabha seats in Delhi and Punjab. Daljit Singh Dhariwal. During the 9 years of the Khattar government's tenure, over 30 different job recruitment examination papers have been leaked. Why is Gujarat, despite this exponential 160% growth in startups in 2 years, missing from the unicorn list? Major unicorn hubs include Bengaluru, Delhi, NCR, Mumbai, Pune, Haryana, Hyderabad, and Chennai, but cities like Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar remain conspicuously absent from the list. A tendency the BJP leadership has settled into. Thousands of crores are spent on mere announcements. During the last 9 years, there has been several such announcements made by the BJP leadership. PM Modi to unveil 5,000 crore projects. Modi to be on a two-day visit to the state from October 31st to dedicate several completed projects and inaugurate two new projects at Kerulu and Ekta Nagar, Gujarat में. Nationwide platform Mera Yuva Bharat to be launched on Sardar Patel's birth anniversary. Many big leaders of the Congress in Delhi joined Aam Aadmi Party, gave primary membership of the party to 100 Congress leaders. Atishi takes Anganwadi workers' suggestions on take-home ration menu for children. Entire North India is suffocating due to the pollution. Central government has no effective plan to control it. AAP India has 39 of the world's 50 most polluted cities. Reena Gupta ने बोला है. Delhi Municipal Corporation will run a special campaign to deal with cleanliness and pollution. The campaign will be run in all zones from the 1st November to 20th November. All roads will have to be cleaned once every day from 6 a.m. onwards. If the work is not done, then action will be taken. Debris thrown on the roads will be picked up daily. Delhi Transport Minister Kailash Gehlot on Saturday said he will issue directions on deploying bus marshals as homeguards so that they do not lose their jobs and passengers are also not left inconvenienced. अब काशी विश्वनाथ में ड्रेस कोड होगी. काशी विश्वनाथ में Karnataka में only 5-hour electricity supply for farm sector. DKS admits to only 5-hour power for rioters. Confession comes amid mounting criticism against Karnataka government. Punjab police bust BKI terrorist module. 3 arrested, 6 pistols seized. Punjab providing free coaching for civil services. 540 aspirants appear in entrance exam. आम आदमी पार्टी ने उम्मीदवारों की दूसरी सूची जारी की. 21 उम्मीदवारों को मैदान में उतारा. सुप्रीम कोर्ट notifies 5-judge bench to hear electoral bonds case on October 1st. Supreme Court to pronounce judgment on Manish Sisodia's bail application on October 30th. Supreme Court वैसे आपको मैं पहले से बोल दूंगा आज कुछ बेल मिलने वाला नहीं है. He is going to add some तड़का वहां पे. Supreme Court is slated to hear on Monday a plea filed by Aam Aadmi Party leader Raghav Chadha against his suspension in Rajya Sabha. Haryana is going through a worst law and order situation, Anurag Danda ने बोला है. Stubble burning in CM city Karnal also. Man government's practical approach proved effective and cases of stubble burning reduced from 5,798 to 2,704. The secret of Punjab government's great success gave an 80% subsidy to the farmer community and approved purchasing 24,000 machines before harvesting. Brick kilns were given permission to convert 20% of the coal into paddy straw chars. 8,000 nodal officers visited sites daily. PEDA inks memorandum of understanding with HPCL to set up 10 compressed biogas projects. 600 crore projects across the state also aim at creating hundreds of job opportunities besides checking stubble burning. Frequent railway accidents are warnings of a great danger. Conspiracy to stop Farishte scheme bills from private hospitals have not been paid for the past 1.5 years, raising questions about a deliberate attempt to hinder the scheme. Revenue Minister Atishi has written letters to the Principal Secretary of the department several times to release salaries to the employees, but no process was done. Appoint CDVs as home guards for deployment as bus marshals, CM ने बोला है. Finally, after over 6 years of delay, the LGOK's acquirement of land for the Baramulla Elevated Road Project, LGOK's, after 6 years. छत्तीसगढ़ इलेक्शन 2023 छत्तीसगढ़ के चुनाव के लिए आम आदमी पार्टी ने जारी की